Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
1, 2, 3, 4. Where, oh, where can my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. I'm going to heaven, so I've got to be good, so I can see my baby when I leave this world. Now here's an easy 4-chord song to learn in the key of G major. Last Kiss. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and we'll need to know the chords G, E minor, C, and D. And we can play those 4 chords throughout the song. Our strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. And we'll do that for every chord. We'll start with the G chord. Down, down, up, down. E minor. C. D. G. E minor. Where, oh, where can my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. I'm going to heaven, so I've got to be good, so I can see my baby when I leave the world. And that's how easy it is. G, E minor, C, D. If you can play those 4 chords, you can play this song. All right, that's it for this one. That's Last Kiss on acoustic guitar. Where, oh, where can my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. I'm going to heaven, so I've got to be good,